Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. This one is actually a 2012 from here down, and the power head, all the electronics, are off of a 2007. We basically took two engines, made one. The 2007 was painted camo. I figured it'd sell better with actually Mercury black decals, everything, not a camo engine. So the engine that was originally on this, or the power head, was bad, did have a bad cylinder. Swapped those out, everything checked out on it here. I got 140 PSI on all four cylinders, 386 hours. That is on the 2007 power head, not the original power head. New spark plug, new impeller, new fuel filter, new oil filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil, and the fuel system has been cleaned. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. And I'll put a little more information in the listing exactly of what we did. Go ahead. Got it pumping good water. Give it a second here to warm up. All right. Forward. Neutral. Reverse. Back neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.